Yeah.
Look how many. There's so many gas sticks. Finish. There's so many things on this. Hey. So many things, so many things, so many things. Oh, there's like dynamite.
It's bauxite. Bauxite they used to make aluminium. Aluminium like it makes foil paper.
Whoa, this thing's huge. It's massive. But you just finished already. Because it's massive and indestructible. That's done already. Done. Why do you think it's done? Oh, Daddy.
A lot of stuff they have to carry.
That's why this thing done. More gas tanks. Why does this thing now need a lot of gas? Oh, Daddy. Don't please. Not enough of gas. I knew it. Finally.